Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, what are you doing?
Brother, your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
That's not what I'm saying.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long did that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
I get 20 minutes.
It just feels like you could be a little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad. That not happen to you? No one ever tell you that? Or no one never come over to tell you that?
It's called minimalism. It's a lifestyle.
Brother, it is your life, but it's no kind of style. This the type of apartment you see when the detectives kick the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus on...
Where the Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Minor. We figure them out.
How'd you know about the Astro Pulse?
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. It's actually 2 wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get the stellar core.
Can I help?
No, brother. You good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment. Oh, brother. You got a core one super crazy energized plasma state. Unreal stuffs. Like you caught one small star and chop them in a bottle. Genius.
So you can just make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astropulse super awesome, but we'll be all right. Whew. Man, maybe we go for lighter metals this time, huh? You know, I actually met your dad one time, long time ago. First time I come mainland. He'll catch me trying to steal stuff from Radio Shack. Then we talk tech stuff for like a whole hour. Then he would take me to jail. That's how I ended up in the Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bummers.
Guess when you're building astropulses, there's not much time for talking to your son.
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
You see, there's gearheads, then there's science nerds. One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father, one good gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to him once?
'Cause I'm both. True, I'm the one gonna fix your suit. That one, over there, that's your father's suit. We gonna make this one the Robert suit.
This is incredible, Royd.
I hope you like it, brother.
Royd, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say. This is unreal.
We make the man Mecca again.
Hey, watch where you're going. I think he did that on purpose. Hey, Chase, I need a favor.
Favor? It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid-ass pieces of... Oh, who's this, huh? Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
No, what's your name, little guy?
My name's Beef and I'm naked.
Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah. What's up?
About the other day with Phenomenon.
Oh, yeah. How's dinner?
Oh, it was awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Over Tokyo Dream Sushi?
Yeah. It's just... the timing felt right. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt a little impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming. It's hard to say.
I hope I didn't contribute to anything.
Oh, why would you have contributed to it?
Guess that means I didn't. Which is what I was hoping for.
It is what it is. But that's actually not what I wanted to talk to you about. I was thinking about it over the weekend, and I'm going to cut someone from the Z team. Or you are, rather. Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place. Create a sense of urgency.
You sure about that?
Well, less sure now. You think it's a bad idea?
I'm just not sure how it'll play out.
The reality is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
I'll let the team know.
Oh, I already did.
I suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
Cut day, huh? She ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? Because it's almost exactly the information a leaderboard gives you.
Actually, smartass, I came over to tell you that one of your team members is in need of assistance.
Sonar, you alright? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Could you send a locksmith downstairs?
What happened?
Coop seduced me.
No. I said, hey, want to see something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, team, I know Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false. I'm judging you right now.
It's bullshit, because it's not like you gotta deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just ignore the pressure and do your jobs. You don't need to be first. You just can't be last.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and help Batboner?
Who?
Don't ask.
Losing feeling in my hand, and not in a fun, kinky way.
There was an altercation with my team and a monster down at the beach, and there's some debris of... There's body parts left behind.
Watch and learn.
I'm going.
Oh, hey. No. Hey, take it easy. I've got you. Fucking hell. They keep trying to touch me with their weird fucking clammy hands.
Yeah, baby, those will keep her busy for a while.
Ugh, I need a shower. A long one.
Uh-huh. You know, this is really fucking immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Emphasis on live.
Oh my god. You do realize that sabotaging each other isn't going to guarantee you a spot on the team, right? Fucking idiots.
crap.
So, Turtle fans moved in, flipped a grill, started a fight, and ruined a bunch of hot dogs.
No.
Ah, excellent choice. You know, given my place on the leaderboard and all.
Okay, I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous. It's okay.
Hey, my grandma just got scammed by someone claiming they work for you guys. She gave them her credit card numbers, social security numbers, all the bad numbers.
Sure? Roberto, my boy, excellent choice. First of many we could make together.
Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Damn, seeing all my followers swarm together like this, it's intimidating.
If anything, she should be proud of the turnout.
Playing the hits works every time.
Okay, sure. We can call that a success. Wow, you're on fire today.
All of this? I'm just warming up.
We followed the drug traffickers to their base near the refinery. Let's shut them down for good.
Ooh, sorry, darling. Don't feel like it. Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Fine. Oh, what's it going to be this time?
Everybody should step back.
Oh, fuck. Damn it, I can't move. Mud, cement, don't mix.
It's an elegant trap. Simple, but effective.
You got cement mixer dudes? I fuck with those guys.
On point. New skills for the repertoire.
You got someone that can figure out how to stop a landslide?
Stand aside.
As hot and threatening as that sounds, I'm not going anywhere.
it. Next time, don't promise a man boobs.
No one promised you anything.
I'd be impressed by this if I wasn't in ever-increasing pain.
With ears that big, he should be wearing protection. Wait, that didn't sound right.
I plug my ears with my socks. If I get blisters, I'm fucking suing.
Hey, so like, my friend's boyfriend was like bragging about how he pretends to be SDN and scams people. He's a real piece of shit.
We're tied for the bottom with fucking Invisigal.
Not for long. Swift as the night. Sharp as my knife.
Well, I'd rather follow up on that tip. Let's see about this suspicious van.
Anybody tries to mess with me, gonna get sludged. I'll let you figure out what you think that means.
Okay, going. A Vanco Cybertrain with precious cargo aboard is minutes away from colliding with the stopped freight at the station.
Yeah.
Sure, your call.
What happened?
She's fine. Just walked into my sword with her face a little bit.
I don't believe in punching women, but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
Come on, dude. Wow, betrayed by a fellow degenerate.
Shitty street kids love me. I'm like their king.
What's the matter, kid? Can't climb fire escapes?
Idiot.
Wow. Keep it up. Do any of you actually want to be here?
I think I'm gonna use me head.
Burglar spotted, headed towards the alley on Mulholland Street.
I'll handle this. Stay out of my way.
Fuck off.
What are you doing, Invisigal?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said, the way to win this leaderboard
Game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
Bitch!
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy. Oh, chill out!
I'd normally say cut her, but the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Yeah, I know. Rather be somewhere else.
And 1,000 better things to do. There is so many
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa and Susan a little workout.
Can everybody take a seat so we can get started?
And I'm missing it because of this garbage here.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started.
Oh, look like this motherfucker got the power to fly.
Oh, Bobby boy, watch where you're going at.
Oh, serves you right.
Hey, you. Get out of here. Yeah, you. Fucking Barney Rubble, fuck off. You can ask one of your teammates to fill you in later.
And what if I don't?
Then I won't just kick you out of this room, I'll kick you out of the whole Phoenix program. You can go back to whatever life was so lame that you thought coming here was an improvement, or you can step outside and think about what you want from all of this. Why you're here. Something everyone in this room should be thinking about.
What's Golem sitting outside for?
He's in timeout.
I got shit to do. I don't have time for this.
So we getting this party started?
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come on. Fucking wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay, as you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the Z team.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
Cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a dispatcher who knew what they were doing, you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nikki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah, chill out, lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
Okay, whoa. You talking shit, you hipster motherfucker? Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left to bust.
Ask next time, or there won't be a next time.
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch!
Okay, I'll make this quick. Most people will look around this room and see a bunch of villains. Not even the super kind, just plain ass, run-of-the-mill, vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. 'Cause lucky for you, I'm not most people. When I look around this room, what I see is...
Did you not plan this ahead of time?
potential.
Got there in the end.
Unfortunately for you, it's a curse. 'Cause there isn't a thing in the universe that goes more wasted than potential. And despite how common it is, no one seems to forget. It's what they whisper when you leave the room. Oh, so-and-so had so much potential. It follows you forever. I'm here to help you lift the curse of potential by getting you to fucking do something with it. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sweltering ball sack of America.
Nah, if Florida's the dick, then Louisiana's gotta be the ball sack. Just, position.
The Phoenix,
sorry,
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of prey that was so tired of its immortality, it tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it ablaze, burning it to shit. But instead of dying, the Phoenix emerged from ash. Reborn. You, every single one of you, are those flaming piles of burnt shit. You, especially. Now, you can stay piles of shit, like you've been your whole life, or we can turn this thing around. The Phoenix symbolizes redemption. It's what you're here for. It's what connects everyone in this room. To burn up who you were, to become who you were meant to be.
Phoenix is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that band.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the leaderboards. Have a better second shift.
Fuck, I need this job.
What for, Coupe? We all know you'll just be working the roulette wheel.
That's a croupier, you idiot.
The fuck's a croupier? I'm just saying, you're a degenerate gambler.
back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, you heard the man. Get out there and do some stellar dispatching. You got this. My client requires protection while he does some shopping.
I remember this man, and he's right to be paranoid. Secret police hired me 3 years ago to kill him. He pissed off the wrong dictator, who shall remain nameless. Sure, I can take a stab at it. Did you get that? I was trying to be funny.
Some bitch just cut me in line at the Utopia concert. I've been here for 12 fucking hours.
Utopia's a hack.
I like her.
You basic, fat bitch. You've got super hearing and you use it to listen to a girl who knows 4 chords and can't write a song to save her life.
Say what you want. It's catchy.
Unbelievable. Match my tempo. Oh, this one sounds fun.
All right, well done. That right there is Phoenix material.
Yo, Mal, what kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodeling phase recently too.
Dang. Anything good you'd recommend?
Depends. Do you like the sensation of your ears bleeding?
Nah, I'm good.
All right, all for me.
I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
I think there's some kind of cult recruiting outside my store. They're creeping everyone out.
A wise investment. This street preacher needs to work on his sales pitch. Great news. They're gonna dissolve the cult and start a podcast where they talk about other cults instead. Half man, half bat, all freak.
There's a bunch of men in the basement of the Giga Burger for some kind of fight club. I don't know how they got here, but they need to go.
There's been fighting tourneys ever since the first chimp made a fist. You're crazy if you think you can shut this down. Oi, my eyes are down here.
I thought I was in timeout.
Sweet ass.
Yeah, I follow. Whatever you say, boss. I still think this is a waste of time.
My client requires protection at lunch with the governor of California.
But he's still alive. Are you going soft on us, Coop?
Please. They couldn't pay. So, I canceled the job. No cash, no kill. So far, SDN's always paid on time and in full, so as long as the check's clear, I will kill or protect as they see fit.
I thought they didn't let us kill people around here.
As they see fit.
attorney just relocated. Coop would know where.
I'm on it. I've learned from my sources that the next tournament will be held at the refinery in 1 hour.
That's some bullshit.
You got good taste.
Why?
New me? Fucking rocks.
Coop, think the SDN can be bribed? Maybe this whole leaderboard thing goes away.
Bribes? Doubtful. But how do you think they feel about menacing threats?
No.
Desperate fucks. Very well.
My client requires protection at the Torrance Pier.
Copy that.
You know, who the fuck is Mr. Whiskey anyway?
Oh, bro, I've got theories.
And if SDN disagrees with me, they're more than welcome to come on. Lindsay, send our address.
Feeling fresh.
This guy calls himself the Bone Zone, and he's got the balls to talk shite.
Yo, Flambe. About your position at the top of the leaderboard.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file. Apparently you've contained more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic, man. I can sense where they're going to be before they happen.
Listen, there's a lot of potential here for a good housing insurance scheme. You just need a middleman. I could be your guy.
Ah, interesting. You know, if I'm ever in the market for a rat with wings, I know where to find you.
Yo, I got you, baby.
Don't call me baby. But thanks, dude.
Lightning struck spotted. Urgent care on Bakersfield Street.
I already tangled with this dickwad once. Send someone else.
Unlike someone, I'm gonna beat his ass and look good doing it.
Help! I am at the Torrance Bank and there's these guys with masks and guns. Not interested.
And here I thought I was getting rusty.
Give me a minute, people.
Typical. Let me do my shit my way. Cool?
Bad bitch, no stopping me.
Huh. Pretty
taking work back there.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
The shit is weird. It's like we're working, what's the word? As a team.
Uh-huh. Baby, that's got a name. It's teamwork.
Isn't that like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
It's not really safe for work, you know. I'll text it to you. One sec.
Oh, damn, boy. That's some fucking teamwork, all right?
Invisigal, where are you going?
Are you smoking in a playground? The fuck's wrong with you?
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right? I'm making it easy for you.
No, you're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're making it easy for you.
You don't get it. Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them. I tried. Just wasn't meant to be.
Meant to be? What are you talking about?
Blazer, Phenomena Man, they have hero powers. Strong, out there for all to see.
Flying through the sky. Nothing to hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can turn invisible and skulk in the shadows. My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate. It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant to be a hero.
There's no such thing as fate. It's bullshit. It's just something we cling to because we think we're the main character of life. We're not.
We're a bunch of flesh blobs with depression on a floating rock.
Is that supposed to be comforting?
Yeah, because no one's paying attention if you want to switch things up.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumbass theory, I should be an accountant.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression, none of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again. Oh my god. You want to talk about fate?
That lightning-struck fuck that's been on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe the third time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a third time?
What makes you think it'd be any different?
You're pissed. I get it. You know what I like to do when I'm pissed? Punch things. Often, bad people.
I do like to punch things.
I know. You're great at it. Go be great one more time.
Or are you just gonna sit there and subject kids to secondhand smoke?
Don't do it. Don't fucking give that kid a cigarette.
He's the one I bummed it from. What's the address?
Shut the fuck up!
You ain't worried about a hero crashing the party?
Load that up. Huh? Where's your boy? Shit. That you? Donut girl? You sure you want to do this again?
Invisigal, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just help me find this fucker.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
It's not fair that you can see me, but I can't see you.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything. Great. Give me a second to tap into this.
All right. A little more tricky.
Sure, take your time.
Shh. I need quiet. Oh, fuck.
What? What is it?
Antivirus. There you are. Got it. I can see again.
Well, that makes one of us. So where the hell is he?
I can't see him from this camera. Let me try get another one online. Shit. Fuck yeah.
He's at your 7.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
He's heading your way.
Invisigal, I got a plan. Fuck you. Got it. On the count of 3, I'm going to turn on the main overhead lights, which should temporarily blind him.
Giving you a chance to take him out.
1,
2,
3.
I'm no hero. Fuck, no, let me try that again. Now you see me? Wait, what about lights out, Thundercuck?
That's the one. Would have been better if you said it first.
Right, because lightning, thunder, struck cookbook so close.
Hey, Bengal boy! More like Bengal bitch!
Or bitch boy! Hey, Bengal bitch boy, fuck you!
Where do go?
Oh, that was clack. And the way you...
Why are those assholes not being assholes?
Isn't this what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
So, this one keeps the comm line one-on-one. This one connects to the whole team. And this one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off light. One dispatcher broadcast the details of his botched circumcision. HR nightmare. Did you mean all that? You really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but I don't know if you were just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
Yeah, everyone has a shot. People are who they choose to be. If Invisigal wants this, she has to commit. It's too easy to quit when you're not good at something.
It's a steep learning curve.
Yeah, that was great.
This mission was textbook.
Genuinely, dude, I'm really happy for you.
So, it's between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching lightning struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bangle boy? Really?
The donut shop escape, slipping past Malevola, now the jewelry store, really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look, I know I'm not supposed to play favorites here, but even if she was on the bottom, I'm not sure I'd have let you cut her.
Then it's a good thing she's not.
Yeah. So, these two are now tied for last place. Who do we cut? Sonar or Coop? It's your call. I support it all the way.
Sonar it is. He had to use his distress beacon before he even left the building today, so I'm not sure it's gonna work.
What happened?
He thought he was gonna see boobs and got tricked.
You somehow gave me too much detail and not enough detail in one sentence. All right, I'll get started on the paperwork.
I'll let him know.
Hey, Robert. Great work today.
So, I'm sure you know why you're here.
Nah, not at all, man. No clue. What's up? What's going on, Robbie?
You, well, I'm cutting you.
What? No. What? Invisigal's. So she should be getting cut. She's on the bottom.
Not anymore, actually. Her last dispatch put her above you.
They're gonna call security.
This isn't over.
It actually is. Sorry it didn't work out.
Watch your back, Robert.
Why is this? What? Did you?
No. You must have just locked it.
Sorry, force of... Fuck you!
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Did he try to choke you with that or something?
No, he just left it.
You're lucky he just stopped at the tie. Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
You are spoiling him.
Nonsense. Talking about.
You ready to go home, bud?
I still would have cut you.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Thanks.